Hey, it's here at TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We've got another custom tailgate rig rolling out of the shop this week. Now, this is going to my man Bobby down in Texas. Hey, first off, y'all know we love all our Texas folks, so we appreciate all y'all. This is actually Bobby's second TMG trailer. He's got a volunteer on a trailer right now. We got that knocked out quick for him to hold him over while he was waiting on this badass tailgate rig. And guys, first off, this is on a TMG built trailer. We build all of our trailers in-house, and the way we do it is we'll get on a call with Bobby and we say, all right, what all individual pieces do you want on this rig? And then we design the trailer around that. So first off, up here, he wanted some storage for a cooler. So we got just a big platform here to strap the cooler down, E-track on both sides, make it easy to strap stuff down for you. Up next, we've got a 60 by 30 Santa Maria grill. Raise and lower your cooking right here with these. Guys, these grills are fun to cook on and they draw attention. So if you're out doing a pop-up, people love to see you cooking on these grills. You got two doors here to open up to tend your fire. Got grease traps front and rear. So that's our Santa Maria grill. Now up next, we've got some storage with two stainless steel sliding prep tops there. So we'll slide these out. So now you got an area to prep off of, serve off of, and a bunch of storage underneath there. Now we also did a AC power package on this rig. So you can see we've got an outdoor outlet here. There's several of those around the trailer. Got a little storage compartment here along with a stainless steel front shelf. And then right here we got the big boy Fridge 60 reverse flow smoker. Now guys, the Fridge 60 with the extra large hot box has almost the capacity of a 1,000 gallon pit. It's close, not quite. Got 3 sliding trays in here. We got a custom stainless steel logo down here as well. In the hot box here, got our 5 sliding trays in there. A lot of cook room in there. Now he did opt for our insulated firebox as well. You can see he's got his fire management cradle down there. Guys, this trailer does have a roof and fold out awnings. We got 4 LED lights all around the top. Now here we got your wood storage covered with more stainless steel. This right here is a folding top here. So it folds up out of the way for you to get to all your storage. We did keep a little stationary shelf here because when you're using your triple burner setup here, you're gonna need a little stationary shelf to set stuff. So we got a folding griddle top here, folds up out of the way. So if you need 3 pots and pans up here, you can do that. Fold it back down, lock it down. You still got 1 open burner over here. All 3 burners are individually regulated. We got the other side of your storage here with another outdoor outlet. He does have 2 fan mounts on this trailer too with switched outlets, so you can turn his fans on and off. We got 2 6-gallon double basket Cajun fryers up here, individually regulated, and they drain through the bottom of the trailer, makes cleanup easy. And then up here, he has a stand-up warmer. He wanted to be able to roll that up on his trailer to bring it to pop-ups with him. So we got a bifold ramp here. We got some E-track up here so he can roll his warmer up, pull a couple straps over it, strap it down nice and tight. In the enclosed storage box up front, we've got the electrical panel and a couple propane tanks, some more enclosed storage. And then underneath, we've got 4 stabilizer jacks, 1 at each corner. So guys, that is Bobby's badass tailgate rig. About to head down to Texas. He's gonna pick it up. He's super fired up about it. We're excited for him. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom tailgate rig built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.